Alright, welcome back everyone. So today's video, get ready to load up this tractor here. Dispatch sheet came through. This is Monday morning. This was the first load. I left the house, drove about 90 miles to get here. Coming back out after the weekend. So we're getting ready to get it all loaded up. It was supposed to be 8 feet wide, 10 feet tall, and roughly about 15,000 pounds. Well, okay, so this trailer I have, it's 8 foot 6 inches wide, and that's counting the rub rails there. So that's the widest you can go with being legal. Well, this tractor is only supposed to be 8 foot wide. We're having a little issues with the ramps right there because the ramps don't have the rub rail and stuff included on them. So they're actually a little bit more narrow. Their ramps are probably about 7 foot 10, maybe 8 foot even, something like that. So I was already noticing that this is a pretty wide load. He ended up driving it up on the tractor, and it overhung about 4 inches on each side, which I'll throw some pictures up towards the end. And so it was going to be an issue because it was crossing state lines. You know, I picked this up in Missouri, and it was going to be going just north of Detroit, almost to Canada. So I was going to have to go up through Chicago, over across Indiana and stuff. So there were several states I was going to be going through, and I didn't have any permits or anything like that. So I ended up asking the guy what he wanted to do with it, and he said that most of the time drivers just haul it, which obviously that wasn't just going to fly. I mean, I can't be over, especially when DOT sees this size tractor on a hot shot. I'm going to be getting pulled in. So, um, and then we tried to talk them into taking the wheels off and stuff. They said that the broker wasn't going to pay for any of that. I called the broker, tried to get oversized load permits so I could go ahead and haul it. They didn't want to pay for it. They said it wasn't included or anything like that. So we just had to snap a bunch of pictures and send it in, which you'll see me grab the tape measure here in a second to measure it. So overall, it was about 9 foot 2 wide. So obviously an oversized load, but what can you do? I sent the pictures into the broker, and they ended up giving me a $200 layover charge for the day. So still didn't make my day worthwhile at all, but they gave me something, and luckily I was just leaving the house. So I just went home for the night and started back over the next morning. But all right, well, after I throw these pictures up here showing the width on it, we'll get to the next load, which is going to be a combine head. So that should be a pretty good one.